I can't put
Oh,
it in
God.
because I've got to test the news.
Oh, she's not going to like this. Are you ready?
Yeah. Plunk her in.
Oh, God. Just seen it. I'm so sorry.
You are going to be in pain.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
There you go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, shit. Oh, God. I'm so sorry, Tosh.
Because Richard is.
Okay, should have had a long sleeve top on.
I know, Richie, I told you.
God.
Do you want to change into a long time?
Nope. Let's do this thing.
Get it wet so I can shampoo.
Oh. Ah. You little shit.
What? So, babe, this is why you need to wash your cat. Help on that?
Not really.
She's getting so well. I gave her a cat away. Oh gosh.
Oh, who's an upset kitty cat?
She's been really good.
Yeah, now she's been good.
Don't jinx it.
See, she's just giving up. Look at that poor little face.
Don't wash it off.
No, she's not that big though. Oh God, those are some sharp ass claws.
I'm trying to do her belly because she's keep wriggling. That's fine, just let her hold on to that until you need to dunk it.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, kitten.
Ouch.
Oh. Look at the claws. Mm. Oh, who's your poor kitty?
Hey, Squish. Oh, she's going to climb up your arm, Mum.
Here, can I get her out?
Ring her out now. Richie doesn't know how to ring her out.
Fuck.
Richie, this is how you ring the cat.
Not his neck.
Don't twist away.
Oh, so sorry, Squiggle Peeps.
That way she doesn't have so much of the wet towel.
Yeah, so that's what you need to do. You get to hold the next cat. So a few hours. How are you? Are you safe in work?
I think I might put a long sleeve top on.